Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. In this video, as always, we take a look at the Cardano price and also at the Bitcoin price, show the latest developments. I think something exciting is happening. Seems like some cryptos finally start to go up again. And Ethereum, especially today, we've had a new local high today with 3,700. I'm really happy that I still have Ethereum. However, as I said, my biggest holding is Cardano, and we're going to take a look at Cardano now. But let's start with Bitcoin because something exciting is happening. This morning I said we might actually, this is looking like a bearish, well, it is a bearish pattern, what we can see here, that descending triangle, which never means it needs to be breaking down to the downside, but the likelihood is quite high. It looks at the moment that we attempt a breakout. It doesn't mean that that breakout, which is happening at the moment, needs to succeed. We need to then have a look at the hourly chart to see, is this sustainable or not? What we currently see is that we seem to be bouncing off this support level, this resistance level here, that last high that we had at 48,500. You can clearly see it here, but very nice volume we can see come in. And yeah, we just need to see, is that just a trap? Which means we just have a huge candle and then we bounce back in. And when you probably watch that video, you will know it already, but it is certainly something really good. I just wanted to update you about. If we maintain that level above 47,700, I would say, that means we've broken out of this pattern, this move to the downside, which is first of all a good move. Yeah, if we manage to break out of this resistance line of that diagonal resistance line, if we manage to break out and maybe now retest it and then bounce to the upside, that would be amazing. Honestly, that would be amazing. And it just shows then that, not every year we need to drop necessarily in September. And I did talk about that in a previous video, that just because something happens in the past doesn't mean it needs to happen. However, of course, as technical analysts or generally as people who want to trade, the only information we really have is information of the past, because also indicators only use information of the past. So that is pretty much in a nutshell what it is. That is because of that you can never really predict what's going to happen. But I talked to you today about this moment here when we break out either to the downside or the upside, that this will be big, either to the downside or to the upside. But I said it looks rather bearish and I'd love us to go up, but for that we need to get above these highs here, which are at currently 48,500. The next one is at 49,200, and then we've got 49,500. And then the next big one is here up there, 50,500. So there's a few journeys, few resistance levels to take for Bitcoin to make that sustainable. But because of that, looks like Cardano is breaking out at the moment as well. We talked about this morning about these patterns, which are so similar for Bitcoin and Cardano. And I said that could still be a bull flag, but it looked more to me that we've got this horizontal support level here and the diagonal resistance line, which is again sort of a bearish pattern because the price was really moving closely to that support level. However, after I did that video, what we could see, we had three small candles here, and really you can see the bullish momentum in these candles. Even though they are red, we see that the lower shadow is quite long, which means even though they went down, there was quite a lot of buying pressure actually. I mean, the buyer stepped in and really protected the price from falling further, which is nice. And now we seem to be breaking to the upside at the moment. But again, we're touching this crucial level here, which is at 286 sort of. That is another resistance line we need to get through. And from there, we could move to 290 and from there into this resistance zone really, which consists of various resistance levels, and it would be nice to get through that. However, of course, we need to see now on the hourly, does the hourly candle, which really has only opened very recently, does that hourly candle close above this level? Can we get successfully that level retested? And oh no, I'm still in the 4-hour chart, so I need to go back to the hour chart, and here we can see that already closed above. Now we are performing a retest. And if we can stay above that would be a really bullish sign, in my opinion, for Cardano. And but let's see if we can get above this 286 level. Just really wanted to update you about that because that is really what is happening at the moment. That is significant. If we can maintain that level above this descending triangle, that would be nice. What that would mean is that we potentially then get back into either a channel or we break straight away up here But of course, we need to see what is happening. It is certainly a good sign that we move now and we break out to the upside here. I mean, today, very important date that the testnet hard fork is carried out. Now, I was all day in meetings, so I didn't really follow any news. So just really wanted to update you about these price moves. I don't know if that's all completed yet. I'm sure they would let us know, the guys from IOHK, if that has all happened successfully and everything. It might have already happened when now, but you know, I as I said this morning, I'm involved in meetings all day. So however, that all looks good. Looks like here Bitcoin, it's green as well, the second candle here on the hourly. So guys, we could be for a move to the upside, which is nice. Bitcoin, as I said, next level, we need to get above the 48,600, which is here the last swing high, I would say. And then for Cardano, we need to get above the 287 and stay there. Watch out for these levels. Really happy about that. I'd rather think it goes down and then it goes up, which is much nicer. But we can't deny this is a bearish pattern here, but I'm always happy when it goes up as well. Anyway, I hope you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.